How to search old tweets on X app. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you want to find your old tweets on X, then this updated guide will show you the easiest and the fastest way to search through your past tweets. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the X app on your phone and make sure that you're logged in to your account. And now here, once you are inside the app, what you can do is just tap on the search icon which can be seen in the bottom left side of the screen. And now here, once you are in the search section, just tap on the search bar at the top, and there you can simply enter the keywords, hashtag and mentions related to your old tweets. And here, once you're done with that, you can simply search for it, and there you can also use filters like latest or top to the narrow result for quick and simple tweets. And that's it. That's how you can search old tweets on X app. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.